Hello, Assalamualaikum. This is video on acid-base and salt on subtopic effect of heat on salts. Okay, when salt is heated, the salt will produce a gas. So to identify a gas, it can be carried out by the gas test. So here are some of the gas tests. For oxygen gas, we use a glowing wooden splinter. The glowing wooden splinter will ignite when it is inserted into test tube contains oxygen gas. For hydrogen gas, lighted wooden splinter, when bring the lighted wooden splinter to the mouth of the mouth of the test tube, it will produce pop sound. Okay, for carbon dioxide gas, when the gas is flow into lime water, the lime water will turn cloudy. And for ammonia gas, we know that ammonia gas is alkaline gas. So we use moist red litmus paper. It will turn blue. Moist red litmus paper turns blue. Okay, for chlorine gas, we know that chlorine gas is acidic gas. So we use moist blue litmus paper and it will turn red. For hydrogen chloride gas, we use concentrated ammonia solution, dip a glass rod into a concentrated ammonia solution and bring it to the test tube, contains hydrogen gas. So white fumes will be formed. The white fume is ammonium chloride. Okay, next is sulfur dioxide gas. We use acidic potassium manganate 7, which is purple in color. When sulfur dioxide gas is flowed into the acidic potassium manganate 7 solution, the purple color turns colorless. And for nitrogen dioxide gas is brown. Okay, this gas is acidic. So we use moist blue litmus paper and it will change into red. Okay, so most salts decompose when heated by comparing the color of the salt, the residue left behind, and the gas release. We can identify the cation and anion that might be present in the salt. Okay, when carbonate salt is heated, for example here we have zinc carbonate. So it will produce carbon dioxide gas. For carbonate salt, when heated, it will produce carbon dioxide gas. So we flow the carbon dioxide gas into lime water. As we learned before, the lime water will turn cloudy. And the zinc carbonate will decompose into zinc oxide. And the color of zinc oxide now is the residue. The color of zinc oxide is yellow when hot and white when cold. So from the color, we know that the salt heated. It will give us the clue for the salt heated, for the cation formed in the salt. Okay, when nitrate salt, for example, lead to nitrate here, when nitrate salt is heated, it will decompose to produce lead oxide, nitrogen dioxide, and oxygen gas. As you can see here, when nitrate salt is heated, it will produce two gases. One is nitrogen dioxide, which is brown in color, and another one is oxygen gas. Okay, so we can test nitrogen dioxide gas by using moist blue litmus paper. The blue litmus paper will turn red. Okay, as for the lead oxide, which is the residue, the color of lead oxide is brown when hot and yellow when cold. So when the residue shows the color brown when hot and yellow when cold, so we know that the cation in the salt is lead ion, lead to ion. Okay, so here only several sulfate salt and chloride salt can decompose when heated. For example, here ammonium chloride for chloride salt. Okay, decompose to produce ammonia gas and hydrogen chloride gas. Zinc sulfate decomposed to produce zinc oxide and sulfur trioxide, and iron to sulfate when heated decomposed to produce iron trioxide, sulfur dioxide, and sulfur trioxide gas. Okay, the cation or anion of a salt can be identified based on the gases released when the salt is heated. So here, as we can see here, if the salt produce carbon dioxide gas, so the salt is carbonate salt. If the gas produced is nitrogen dioxide and oxygen gas, so it is nitrate salt. And if ammonia gas is produced, so the salt is ammonium salt. Okay, here is the color of residue. So the cation presence in some salts can be identified from the color of the residue after heating. Okay, here are some example here. Okay, so when the color of residue is hot, is yellow when hot and white when cold, so the residue is zinc oxide, means the cation present in the salt is zinc ion. When the color of residue is brown when hot and yellow when cold, the residue is lead oxide, means the cation present is lead ion. And if the color of residue is black, both when hot and cold, so it is copper oxide, means the cation presence is copper ion. Okay. So that's all from me. Hope this video can help you to understand the effect of heat on salt. Okay, see you on my next video. Thank you. Bye.